Hey everybody, Sarah Farnsworth here, Independent Director for 31 Gifts, and I wanted to give you a peek into how I use 31 in our organization items in my pantry, in our art closet, in my bathroom, and then also in my closet. So let's take a peek. So here's my pantry. This is how I use a lot of our items to organize. So I love these Your Way rectangles. They're typically the size of your shelf. You can personalize one side if you want or use them just clear. So like I have supplements in this one. Down here we have nuts and seeds. We have different things that way. This one is Ziploc bags. So that's one of my favorite uses. And then my other favorite thing is we have a problem with water bottles in our house. So we have one of our rectangles housing most of our water bottles. And then this one is for all the lids, for the sippy cups, water bottles, Starbucks cups, stuff like that. So that is dedicated for that. I have one down here for snacks for my kids. And then I love, again, the rectangles, but the same exact size is our Your Way hyacinth basket, which I love for all my oils and vinegars. I have all my baking products in here. So that's one thing that I think is a must-have. These Littles carry-out caddies are amazing. We eat a lot of beef sticks in our house, so these are great. I love the little stretchy pockets. I have another one up here for raisins and things like that. This is our fold-in file, which is used for lots of different things, obviously, for business, bills, mail. I actually have essential oils in this one, and then I have one back in here that has recipes. Another little must-have that I have, this is kind of my mail caddy. So I have stamps, pens, envelopes, shipping tape, all that kind of stuff, coupons, receipts, stuff like that. So that also sits in here. So that's a really important piece, I think. The rectangle, the Littles caddies, and then our Your Way cubes are must-haves for the pantry. And then I'm gonna have you follow me over here. So counter clutter is a problem in all of our houses, right? We tend to have this area where everything accumulates. So cell phones, cords, watches, all that kind of stuff. We have our little junk drawer in here. But this little fold-in file, again, is a lifesaver. Not only I love the little stretchy pockets for little odds and ends that just sit around mail, but then I love to keep kind of just organized like our schedules, stuff like that. And that just sits right here. So that way I always have it, and anything that comes in mail, I can just shove it right in there and at least it looks organized. So let me show you our art closet. So this is our mudroom, and in here is our kids' art closet because we do a lot of that over kind of into our kitchen area. So again, you're gonna see those rectangles. So in here I have all kinds of art supplies. I have one for each kid. Again, this is the little one, the rectangle basket, and then again, you're gonna see that double duty caddy. This one I've turned into an art caddy for my kids. There's crayons, markers, little crayons for the other little girl. There's paints on the other side. We've got erasers in the side, paintbrushes, stuff like that. So this is just a great thing that we can grab and go. I love the zipper pouch. We cannot ever have too many zipper pouches. This one I think we have just notebooks and different things in there. So these are great to organize, again, either by themselves and just shove in somewhere, or you can also stick them in one of those rectangles and kind of get some organization. So definitely need, again, those Your Way rectangles and the zipper pouches. So now I'm gonna head into our bathroom area and my master closet. And I just kind of wanna show you how we're using a couple items to make our counters easier. So the counter area is typically if you're, have some space issues, or again, you've kind of got stuff all over that you use regularly. So I have one Littles caddy for my husband and one for myself. These are the products that we use every day, hair products, makeup products, stuff like that. This over here is the Glamour case. So I just have my makeup, toothbrush, stuff like that in here, kind of those things that I use all the time. And again, that's the Glamour case. Again, $14, $25, it can totally transform your bathroom area and make it look organized. Then under the sink, I kind of have a couple must-haves as well. So this is that double duty caddy, which we talked about. Again, I have hair products in there so I can grab it up here when I am using it, and then I put it back down when I need to go out. Another great use for that is curling irons and things like that. This is the 24/7 case. So this is just a makeup case. There's stretchy pockets inside. This is my husband's. And again, we kind of keep more products in that. And then this one right here is the mini utility bin. And that's just great to use for hair products and brushes and things like that as well. So you can grab it, get it out if you need, or just reach down and get it, and then you look a little bit more organized. I have used fold-in files under there as well. So again, they're not just for your office spaces. So let me show you in our bathroom area, or closet area. So again, that rectangle and that fold-in file. Up here, I have a fold-in file. We have extra toothbrushes. We have first aid supplies, Band-Aids, all that kind of stuff in here. And then this one, I actually have like workout shorts. So my favorite use for the rectangles, I don't know if you can see underneath here, but I actually have rectangles all along this space under the clothes. So this one I have hats, my husband's hats. This one I have my hats. I have underclothes in this one, tank tops, all kinds of things, curling irons, journals. That way you are using that space that's under your clothing. You can also put one down at the bottom, but that way you can really get some more space and have that if you have especially a smaller closet area. So again, highly recommend the Your Way rectangles, the cubes, the fold-in file, the Littles Carry-All Caddy, and the Double Duty Caddy. Those are kind of some must-haves for organizing your spaces. So if there's anything that I can do to help you with your problem area, I would love to do that. So give me a shout. Thanks, guys.